No, I have great news. I am the last speaker, so don't worry. And I have a very happy topic. I'm going to talk about risk, and if you make the wrong decision, your startup company or your established company might die. So it's a very happy topic for you to talk about risk. But you know that you might have a big dream, you might have a big network, you might have big money, but you might also lose everything. That's normal. One very important thing about doing business is that you have to be sustainable. So you need a very good business plan. If you have a great idea how to develop this idea in the market here in India or export it to European Union or whatever you imagine that you can go, but also you have to have in place a very good risk management plan in order to see in the future what might happen, and to take precaution measures in order not to be like bankrupt or defaulted or whatever might happen to your business. There are a lot of risks now. So we are in the more complex environment as far as entrepreneurs wise, because you have to be in a very competitive market now. The marketplace is changing very rapidly, so you have to be aware of what you should do in order to be competitive. So you need 110% of your attention in order for your company to survive. That's the first thing. Sometimes you don't have the time to also follow this, because as you can see, I took this period that was the more specific period that you can see how risks are changing in the global environment. So you can see here is the ranking of the risks globally, and from 2011 and before 20 years, the 10 first risks didn't even change position. As you can see, from 2011 and 2013, some risks vanished and some new risks appeared. So as an entrepreneur, it's not easy for you to follow